Kicking kings, inwards, inwards, inwards. Kicking king, inwards as he kicks along. With the here and the there, here there everywhere Hello my dear children, I am your teacher, Teacher Nadia Javed, and I am again here with you with a new letter and character and a new sound. Okay, so I am going to introduce you a new letter, a new sound. So my dear children, today we have a king. We have a king with us. Wow, good. So what kings say all the time? What king says? Okay my dear children, I will tell you, but before you will like my video, subscribe my channel. So then I will tell you what king says all the time. When kings say the kite, all the time when he see kite in the sky, he says ka. He says ka. So now I will show you who is kicking king. So see, yes, it is a new character of letterland. His name is Kicking King. His name is Kicking King. Why he calls Kicking King? Because he has so many kites in his hand and he kicks. He kicks. See? Kicking King's body is straight. Then we will add our arm. Then add his leg and then he can kicks. Right? It is Kicking King. His name is Kicking King. Okay. So, who is friend of Kicking King? Wow. Karen is friend of Kicking King. Who is friend of Kicking King? Karen is friend of Kicking King. And Karen also likes kite. Wow. Now, because he is a king, so he likes kite, and I will show you the kite of Kicking King. And this kite is amazing. See? Wow! It's a Kicking King's kite. Beautiful. Right? It's a kite of Kicking King. This is the kite of Kicking King. And this kite is beautiful because it's the kite of Kicking King. And it's a beautiful kite. Kicking King likes to fly the kites. Right? And one thing which Kicking King doesn't like, what? A kitten. A kitten. Because when he fly the kite, all the time a kitten is in the way. And he doesn't like this. He doesn't like the kitten. See? Kitten. And when he flies the kite, Kicking King flies the kite, all the time he says ka. He says ka. With the ka here and the ka there, here ka, there ka, everywhere ka. Yes, Kicking King says all the time ka. So my dear children, Kicking King likes tea. Kicking King likes tea, and he has a kettle. He has a kettle to make a tea. For making tea. Yes, Kicking King likes kite. Kicking King starts from k sound. Kicking King, k kite, k Karen, k kitten, and k kite. Very nice. And k kettle. And Kicking King likes to play with kite, and when he flies the kite, he says all the time, "K." He says all the time, "K." And how you will write K sound? See here. First you will look at here at the Kicking King. Kicking King's body is straight. Then you will add a arm. Then you will add his leg. Then he kicks. So how you have to write kicking K sound? You will start from the first line, and we will not use the last line. You will make a straight line. As you see, Kicking King's body is straight line. So then we will add a arm, then a leg, and a loop. Loop is like his foot. Loop is like his foot. So this is K sound. Again, you will start from the first line, make a straight line. You will draw a arm of his K sound, and then a leg and a foot. This is K sound. This is K sound. So my dear children, today you have learned the K sound with this character. What is the character? It's a very loving character. It's very nice. Who is that? He is Kicking King. Who is friend of Kicking King? K Karen, K Kicking King, K Kite, and K Kitten. And this is K sound. And Kicking King sings all the time. Kicking King says K inwards, K inwards, K inwards. With the K here and the K there. Here K, there K, everywhere K. Yes. Hope you like my video. My dear children, see my all videos lesson by lesson and learn more about the phonics. Thank you so much. This is your teacher Nadia Javed. And please subscribe my video, like my video, subscribe my channel, my dear children. Okay, hope you like this video. Bye bye.